Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very detailed video for you on how I customize my frontal wigs. So as you guys can see, I am plucking here, and after I pluck, you will see the hair that will be coming out of it. You will also see that I ended up combing the hair. The best time to pluck the hair is when it's actually wet. So I had plucked this hair on a fresh, wet, washed hair, as you can see. And then after, I tend to blow dry it, and then I straightened it with a flat iron. Then I just went into doing my baby hairs and pretty much installing the wigs. If you guys would like to see a more detailed customization of how I customize my wig, just leave me a comment in the comments below, and I can do a more in-depth video if you guys would like to see it. So I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, thanks for watching. So let's get into the video.
Anyway, me there, that your comfort zone. Love how your skin just smooth and chrome. Keep them pretty when you smile like that. You give me eye like that. Me feeling like one drone. Feeling right when you touch my zone. Baby girl, you the best I've known. Turn me on. Me missing a call since lately. We at the studio hard since lately. Me just feel like this all too crazy. Your body fuck. Hey, you want me pretty.
Hey guys, so I finished the hair, and that's what it looked like. I just put it up in a half hairstyle. So this is what I did from yesterday. So hey guys, I am back. So I am going to actually put on this wig today. I have braided my hair in 10 small braids. Make sure when you are putting on a wig or a weave, your hair is well protected underneath, because you don't want your hair to be damaged, right? So I basically washed, shampoo, conditioner, treated my hair, and I oiled my scalp, and I put in my products inside my hair as well. And yeah, and I just put in some of my leave-in stuff. You can choose to wear a cap. I don't wear one based on what I'm doing. If it's a wig I'm wearing, sometimes I wear it, sometimes I don't, it all depends. But if I'm doing a sew-in, I sometimes do it with the mesh, so there's that method as well that I do. Okay, so I got the wig off. You see inside, so I just put an elastic band here, and yeah, let me just put it on and so the way I have it, it look like I don't even need to do nothing to it more than I would part my part. Right? So this, I am not even going to bother gel down. I'm just gonna do this hair with no gel. What I was gonna use is these, my got to be ultra glue and the got to be spray, but I don't think I need it because this wig is just laid. It is just laying. Look at that. Do you see it? Look, it's just laying. So guys, as you can see, look, this is what it looks like. Girl is laid. It is laid, and no glue. Just tuck. So what I'm going to do, what lace? So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna part it and to make it get that more of a natural look like for my scalp, I'm just going to put some of my foundation on it, just a little bit, just to spruce it up. Just use your hand and you can smooth it out, and there. So see, nice part there. And then for your flyaways, you got some mousse. So I just got some herbal essence body mousse. This is volume 4, so it's really strong. And you just spray some in your hand. And what you want to do is go on the top, start from the top and just work your way down. So that way you have no flyaways. There you go. And then you just want to brush it. And there you have it, guys. I would just like to say thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.